In this video, I'll be talking about 7 crypto trading mistakes you must avoid if you're a beginner in crypto trading or if you are considering going into crypto trading. Now, recently, I've come to realize that the reason a lot of beginners lose money in crypto, or the reason why a lot of beginners say crypto is a scam, is because they either learned from a wrong person or they just came to crypto because they saw someone who turned $100 to $10,000 and they wanted to do the same in 1 week without learning the required things. These things and many more are reasons why so many people think crypto is a get-rich-quick scheme, and that's why I always tell my students in the crypto trading course that if your goal is to start trading today and become profitable in 1 week, then don't come near me. Or if you're the kind of person that you're looking to turn $100 to $10,000 in your first week or in your first month, then don't come near me. Now, these things are not realistic for a beginner in crypto trading. And that's why I've decided to make this video to educate some of you on the crypto trading mistakes you must avoid. Now, avoiding these mistakes can save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and frustration. So let's get started. Mistake number 1 is not doing your own research. Now, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is not doing their own research. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and follow the crowd, but it is also important to understand the fundamentals of crypto trading and even the cryptocurrencies you are planning to invest in. Now, before you decide to put your life savings in crypto trading, which I won't advise you to do, always take time to make your research about what this crypto thing is all about and how it works. You will find videos on YouTube to educate you on how crypto trading works, and I have done over 200 videos on crypto trading for beginners on my channel, and you can even check some of them out in the description below. For example, some traders don't even take time to learn about leverage and liquidation price before going into futures trading. And then when they put their life savings and pick 100x leverage, they thinking they can turn millionaires overnight, they lose their money. Yes, I know you can make life-changing money in crypto, but you can only do that when you take your time to do your research about crypto trading before you start. Now, just in case you still want to ask me that, how can you do your own research before starting crypto trading? First, you can start by watching crypto trading videos for beginners on YouTube. As a beginner, don't focus on learning all the advanced stuff from day one. Focus on learning the basics. Now, the next thing you can do is to attend crypto trading webinars. I did this a lot in like 2018 and 2019. I could just be scrolling on, let's say, Instagram, and I would just see an ad for a crypto trading class for like 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira back then, and I would pay for it. And I did that a lot in 2018 and 2019. Now, all of these webinars I attended that time was just to learn the basics, and it really helped me. Now, another thing you can do is to buy free crypto trading courses on Udemy. There are so many free courses on Udemy that you can use to learn the basics of crypto trading. And if you have the money, you can even go ahead and buy paid courses or get a mentor. But if you don't have the money, you don't have to spend money on courses. There are so many free resources on the internet. So ensure you avoid the mistake of not doing your own research. Mistake number 2 is risking more than you can afford to lose. Now, another common mistake a lot of beginners need to avoid is risking more money than they can afford to lose in crypto trading. You will see someone that has just $100 in all of his life, and he will put the whole $100 or let's say $90 in a trade, thinking he can double the money or triple the money overnight, without learning what crypto trading is all about. Now, I once got a message from one of my subscribers telling me that he has $500 as his last cash, and that is there where he can use the money to trade crypto and make $1,000 from a trade. Now, before I answered him, I asked him, why do you think you can turn $500 to $1,000 from a single trade? And he said he saw someone who did it on Instagram. And I just laughed. Now, a lot of people are risking too much money in the market and they know nothing. And then you come to say crypto trading is a scam. See, the crypto market is highly volatile and the prices can swing dramatically in a very short period of time. So as a beginner, you should only be risking what you can afford to lose and never use money that you need for your school fee or for your rent in crypto trading. Very risky. Now, another reason why I'm saying this is that as a beginner in crypto trading, whenever you take a trade, don't focus on the money you want to make. Focus on practicing whatever you have learned online, or maybe the strategies you have learned from somewhere, rather than focusing on the money you want to make. So whether you make profit or loss, you just learn from it and you move on. Now, remember that all these mistakes I'm talking about are for beginners only. So if you're a crypto trader who is making little profit, or maybe you're making consistent profit already, you can risk as high as you want. Mistake number 3 is not diversifying your trades. Now, putting all your money into one trade is very risky, highly risky. Diversification helps you to spread the risk and increase the chances of having a profitable trading portfolio. Now, what I mean by this is, let's say you have $1,000 in your wallet, you shouldn't put all the $1,000 in a single trade. Instead, you can decide to put $200 each in 5 trades, or let's say $400 in 2 trades, or whichever way you want it. Now, this will allow you to have more chances of making profit from different trades than risking everything on one trade. I hope you understand. Now, mistake number 4 is falling for scams. Now, you need to know that the crypto space is now full with scams and fraudulent schemes. And whenever I hear or see that a beginner has been scammed, I get so annoyed. Now, this is because some of these scams on the internet are so evident and you can easily know that they are scams, but some people will still fall for them. For example, why should someone tell you to deposit $10 to turn it into $1,000 in the name of crypto trading and you believe that? Like, how? Or you see someone that will send you a wallet address and tell you to deposit an amount of money to claim a bigger price. All of those things are nonsense and you shouldn't be falling for them. Also, you need to be careful of crypto projects or airdrops that will promise you guaranteed returns that sound too good to be true. Now, always verify the credibility of any crypto project or any airdrop you want to do and avoid sending your money to unknown sources. Also, I will advise you to be using trusted exchanges and wallets. For me, I recommend you use Bybit, Binance, BitGet, and KuCoin. I have videos on all these different exchanges. I'll put the links in the description below. Now, if you are learning something so far, we appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, let's go to the next one. Mistake number 5 is ignoring security measures. Now, security is very important when it comes to crypto. Many beginners always neglect basic security practices such as enabling 2-factor authentication and keeping their private keys secure. Always prioritize security to protect your crypto assets from hacks and theft. And always avoid using simple passwords for your crypto trading account. Always use strong passwords, and do not, I repeat, do not send your login details to anyone. And avoid clicking weird links or links that promote outrageous amounts to you for you to claim as a reward. For example, a friend of mine got a message that he won 1 Bitcoin, which is about $60,000. And when he was about to click the link, he sent it to me to check it, and it was just a scam. So please avoid clicking any kind of link. Maybe when you see that someone sends you a link that you've won an amount of money in crypto and you need to click a link, avoid doing that. So please, if you're a beginner in crypto trading, don't ignore these security measures. Mistake number 6 is emotional trading. Now, emotional trading can lead to poor decision making. It's easy to get swayed by fear or greed in trading, but you just have to avoid it. Now, when you let your emotions like fear or greed to dictate your trading actions, you are more likely to make irrational decisions. Now, for example, fear might make you to exit a trade quickly just because of a temporary market dip, while greed can make you or tempt you to hold a profitable trade for too long, which might later come back to haunt you when the trade goes down. Now, what should you do? To avoid emotional trading, you need to develop a solid trading strategy. This strategy should include clear entry and exit points for your trades, meaning that you decide in advance at what price you want to enter the trade and at what price you want to exit the trade. Now, in your trading plan, you should also have your risk to reward ratio and stick to it. Now, sticking to this plan can help you stay disciplined and help you avoid bad decisions in the crypto market. Additionally, setting stop loss orders can help you manage your risk, and a stop loss order helps you to exit a trade quickly once it reaches a certain price so as to prevent further losses. Now, this way, even if the market turns against you, you won't lose more than you are willing to risk. Another thing I would advise you is that it's also beneficial to take breaks from trading so as to clear your mind. Now, monitoring the market constantly can be stressful and it can lead to burnout, so making it more likely for you to make emotional decisions. And taking regular breaks can help you stay focused in the market. And for example, I have set a rule for myself where I only take trades 3 times in a week or 3 days in a week. Now, this is to allow myself not to get carried away by profit or losses, because if you trade every day and you're making profit back to back, you might feel too confident and you will want to increase your risk, and then you lose a lot of money. And also, if you keep losing back to back, you will definitely make bad decisions. So always have a trading plan and stick to it, and avoid emotional decisions, and also take regular breaks. Mistake number 7 is not understanding market trends. Now, understanding market trends and technical analysis can help you make informed trading decisions. A lot of beginners enter the market without the knowledge of how to read charts or how to identify trends. So you need to take your time to learn about indicators, chart patterns, and analysis to improve your trading skills. These are the things that will help you to predict the market movement. In addition to learning technical analysis, you need to consider learning fundamental analysis, which involves evaluating the value of a crypto based on different factors like the technology of the crypto, the team, the market demand, and many more. And combining technical analysis and fundamental analysis together will give you a well-rounded view of the market and help you make good decisions. All of these things are taught in my complete crypto trading course. If you want to register for it, the link to that will be in the description below. Now, remember that trading is not just about luck, it's about making good decisions based on thorough analysis and good understanding of the crypto market. So take your time to educate yourself, practice regularly to improve your skills, and avoid the mistake of not understanding the market trends. So these are the 7 crypto trading mistakes you must avoid as a beginner. And if you want to learn how to make money with trading bots on Binance, click the video showing on your screen right here. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Bye.